We are Age Cymru. We work at a national and local level, and we're here for older people in Wales when they need us the most. Hello, you're through to Age Cymru Advice. How can I help you today?
Hello, sorry to bother you, but I'm looking for some help.
No problem. Tell me what's on your mind. Take your time. We provide a range of vital services and support to improve the lives of older people, as well as offering support to families, friends, carers and professionals. The Age Cymru Partnership is the key provider of information and advice for matters affecting older people in Wales, whether that's supporting someone to navigate a tricky situation or providing reassurance and a listening ear so they can make sure the cupboards are never empty, helping people fight loneliness through our befriending services, or providing access to local services and transport so they can stay active and involved and keep doing what they love to do. We provide advice, we support independence, we combat loneliness. We've been here supporting older people across Wales, and we'll continue to be here.